Bro. We're cooked, bro. We are cooked. Oh my gosh, bro. What's good, YouTube? Back with another video, man. Back with another smoke session. But unfortunately, bro, we got some bullshit to get into, my nigga. If y'all don't know, bro, the Bills just fucking traded Stephon Diggs, bro, to the Houston Texans. We traded them niggas Stephon Diggs, a 5th round pick and a 6th round pick for a 2025 2nd round pick, bro. We traded Stephon Diggs for a 2nd round pick, bro. And I know I made a video on the Bills, like, when we got bounced out by the Chiefs in the playoffs, bro. I made a video and I said, yeah, we need to trade that nigga, bro. But that was before, you feel me, the fact that was before we decided to fucking release half of our fucking defense, bro. Like, I don't understand. I don't understand what we're doing, bro. I don't understand, bro. I really don't. I really don't, bro. Like, bro, these motherfuckers, we just talked about it, bro. These motherfuckers decided to release Tre'Davious White, Jordan Poyer, fucking Leonard Floyd, fucking, what's the other name? Micah Hyde. Like, bro, those are 4 starters. 2 of them y'all let walk. The other 2 y'all released. Like, what are we doing? That's our whole secondary gone. Our the 2 niggas that started at safety and the nigga that started at corner last season, bro. All 3 of them niggas are gone, bro. Mind you, we still have yet to sign a corner, bro. We don't have a cornerback, bro. The only cornerback that's good on our team is Rasul Douglas, bro. That we got from the Packers last year, bro. The other nigga, his name is Christian Benford. That nigga started for us last year. After Tre'Davious White got hurt. Bro, that nigga's a 6th round pick, bro. And the other nigga, number 30, Dane Jackson, that nigga's a 7th round pick, my nigga. Them niggas are bottom of the barrel cornerbacks. Them niggas are not good, bro. DeMar Hamlin was our backup safety. That nigga should not be starting, bro. Like, what are we doing? I don't understand, bro. I don't understand, bro. And then after they do that, they decide to trade Stephon Diggs, bro. Now we let Gabe Davis walk. I don't really give a fuck about Gabe Davis, right? He wasn't really all that, bro. We replaced that nigga with Curtis Samuel, and then you trade Stephon Diggs. So that means the only wide receivers that we have on our roster right now are Curtis Samuel and Khalil Shakir, bro. If you tell me to name a third wide receiver on our team, I couldn't name it, my nigga. I couldn't name it. I don't know. I really don't know, bro. It's like I'm like stuck in like a very hard place right now, bro, because the fucking draft, I got a fucking piece of hair on the side of my eye, bro. A part of me is sitting there looking at it like, bro, this shit is pissing me off. Part of me is like, we alright, bro. We got Big 17. He's just gonna run the table, right? And it's like, the draft is next month, bro. Well, later this month. We got 11 draft picks. And it's like, bro, if we don't hit on this fucking draft, bro, if we don't hit on this draft, y'all gotta understand, we can't draft niggas that gotta develop, bro. We don't got time for that bullshit, bro. We got to draft niggas that's gonna come in and be fucking great, bro. Like, we're drafting a wide receiver first round. Bro, that wide receiver needs to be as elite as Stephon Diggs, my nigga. And if he's not, bro, this season is like, people are gonna look at that fucking Diggs trade and be like, we're dumb as a bitch, because like, what the fuck are we really doing? And we gotta draft another cornerback, bro, because I'm not finna sit out here and watch fucking Dane Jackson and that Benford nigga play defense and get fucking burnt every game, bro. I don't got time for that shit. I don't got time for that shit, bro. We don't got no fucking safeties. Our two starting safeties right now were both backups last year, bro. It's like, bro, we have to hit on this draft, bro. We have to hit. If we don't hit, bro, it's over, bro. This season is just a wash. We don't got no more cap space. We can't sign nobody. You got fucking Brandon Ayuk in free agency. Fucking T. Higgins trying to be traded. And we don't got no fucking money for not a damn soul, bro. Like, another part of me feels like this motherfucker Josh Allen and that motherfucker James Cook, both of them is finna have elite seasons next year, bro. I feel like James Cook gonna run for at least 1,300 yards, bro, if he can stay healthy. I feel like Josh Allen is gonna have the best season of his career, bro. I need to do, because he gonna go back to how he was, you feel me, before Diggs, where he just put the whole fucking team on his back. See, I don't know about that, Josh Allen. Before Diggs arrived, Josh Allen had nobody to throw the ball to but fucking Cole Beasley. Nigga, if Cole Beasley wasn't open, you know what the fuck Josh was doing? He was out of there, my nigga. That nigga used to be getting gone. I feel like he's ready to get back to that, bro. He's gonna run a lot more this year. He didn't run a lot last year in the beginning of the season because our offensive coordinator was trying to like protect him from save him from getting injured or some shit. As soon as we fired that nigga and a new nigga came in, bro, Josh Allen was out there running that bitch again. Like it was nothing. And he's gonna get back on that again. I don't know though, bro. We just traded our wide receiver one. We let 4 of our defensive starters walk, 3 of them in the secondary. Like, it's not looking good, bro. It's really not. We just got to leave it all up to Big 17, bro. But yeah, man. Next topic. I was just on the game with my man earlier. And we was talking and shit, right? And we stumbled upon the topic of 2K. No, it wasn't even playing 2K. We don't play 2K. Like, I just deleted 2K. You feel me? Like, a week ago, I deleted that shit. Well, I deleted it like a month ago, and then after like 3 days, I re-downloaded it, and then I re-deleted it a week ago. And then I really started talking about 2K, like 2K, bro. Y'all fell off crazy. The only reason why 2K is still relevant is because there's no other NBA game to play, bro. If there was another company, it don't even gotta be EA Sports, bro. Like, cause NBA Live is fucking garbage, right? So it don't even gotta be that. You feel me? But if there was just another company that decided to come out with a motherfucking basketball game and it was good, bro, 2K would be clipped. Because their game hasn't been good, bro. Their game has not been fucking good. I heard 2K25 is going to be the first 2K where they don't release on the PS4 and Xbox One. It's just going to be strictly next gen. So maybe that will make it better, bro. Because they're only focusing on one system. You feel me? But one generation of systems. But I don't know, bro. I really don't know what it is. Like 2K, bro, niggas used to play 2K year round, bro. Back when 2K16 and 2K17 came out, niggas used to play them games until the next one came out, or like the fucking prelude came out. Remember when they used to drop the preludes? Niggas used to play the game until the prelude came out, bro. Feel me? And it seemed like, well, for me, it's like every year I'm deleting 2K sooner and sooner. Like, nigga, 2K just came out in September, bro. And I deleted that shit in March. Like, that's only 6 fucking months of the game, playing the game. Like, what? That shit is bad. The fact that you can play 2K with Game Pass is fucking sad, bro. Like, how is your game that bad? This is like, damn, bro. Well, I don't understand. I feel like for 2K to be good, one, bro, why? I feel like when you create a player, my nigga, your player should be able to, nigga, do whatever. Like, you feel me? Back in the day, bro, your player used to be a 99 demigod, right? VC was like half of the price it is now. Fucking, when you used to upgrade your player, there was only like fucking 5 categories, my nigga. It was dribbling, finishing, shooting, fucking defense, and athleticism, like speed and all that shit, right? And if you fucking upgraded your shooting, my nigga, your 3-pointer went up, your moving three went up, your moving mid range, your standing mid range, all that shit went up at the same time. Your free throw. Damn, I keep saying upload. If you upgraded your fucking finishing, your driving layup, standing layup, driving dunk, standing dunk, all that shit went up at the same time. And it's like now, you gotta upgrade all that shit individually. My nigga, and the VC costs 2 times as much. Like, come on, 2K, what are we doing? Nobody asked for that. Nobody wanted that, bro. Like, I really take a nigga's bread. For a bum-ass game, the game is way too realistic. The shooting is ass in that bitch. Like, y'all making the shooting way more complicated than it need to be. Why in fucking 2K24 is there 4 to 5 fucking different release points, my nigga? Let's just say push, nigga, set point, fucking release point. Nigga, what? Where are y'all getting all this shit from? I doing all this extra shit and y'all can't even get the basic shit to be good. Ah, shit. Like, I don't know, man. And it sucks, bro, because gaming is really ass right now, bro. This shit is really ass, bro. This shit is garbage.
This is Maya. Oh, hi, Maya. You robots are sounding more human every day. I'm Discover. Everyone can talk to a human representative. All right, prove it. Are you a robot? 24/7 US-based customer service. How would I...
2K trash. Madden trash. Fucking Fortnite trash. I don't play COD. I literally just started playing COD. Like, literally 5 days ago. It's my first time really playing COD since Black Ops 2, bro. Nah, Black Ops 3. But I'm finna cop the next one that come out. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like ever since Rockstar Games said that they dropping GTA 6 in 2025, everybody is just like waiting for 2024 to be over with. Well, not everybody. I'm not waiting for it to be over with, but I'm like, wish this bitch would get going. You feel me? Cause, bro, niggas is trying to play that shit, bro. Like, I'm telling you, when that shit drop, bro. Bro, do y'all know, bro, we haven't had a new GTA in motherfucking 12 years, bro. When GTA 5 came out, nigga, I was 9 years old. Nigga, I'm 19 right now. What the fuck, nigga? Even though I didn't get GTA 5 till I was like 12 or 11. But still. What the fuck? That's mad long, bro. That shit was so long, it felt like GTA was discontinued, my nigga. But they gotta drop another trailer, though, bro. I need some more. I need to see what that shit looking like a little bit more. I need some more insight on that bitch. You feel me? Hey man, tell me why I was at work, bro. And I work in the morning, right? So I don't really work with a lot of motherfuckers that's, you feel me, around my age. Everybody I be working with, they all like older than me. They all like way older than me. Like I'm the only young nigga there in the morning for real sometimes. Sometimes it be like one or two other young niggas, but I don't even really be talking to them, feel me? But like it's these two ladies that I work with, right? They both in like their 60s, right? So they be like, we be like having like regular coworker conversation, right? The little, feel me, quick chit chat shit, right? Be like, oh, good morning, you feel me? Feel me? Yeah, simple shit, right? So tell me why these motherfuckers, I guess they told the manager, right? They told the manager, they was like, well, the manager came up to me, and he was like, them two said to me that you're eye candy. And I'm just sitting there, I'm like, nigga, what the fuck is eye candy? Nigga, what? I never heard of no fucking eye candy. I'm like, bro, nigga, what? I'm like, what that mean? He's like, you don't know what eye candy mean? I'm like, bro, I never heard nobody say eye candy in my life. He was like, it means that they like to look at you. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, why the fuck do these greeny bitches like looking at me? The fuck is you looking at me for? That shit weird to me, bro. Like, why the fuck? Why, bro? And one of them bitches mad weird, bro. Like, she be saying mad sexual shit, bro. Like, lady, you was too old to be talking like this. She be saying mad weird shit. I don't even really be trying to talk to her because she annoying on some shit. Like, the way she be talking, bro, that shit piss me off. Like, when I hear her voice, I just get irritated. She got, like, this high-pitched baby voice, bro. Bro, I don't know, bro. It's just something about the way she talk. And I'm the only young nigga there, so she be talking to me like I'm one of her fucking grandkids or some shit, bro. Like, she be acting like I'm a fucking 5-year-old. Like, I remember they had me working, doing some shit, you feel me, that I only had did like 1 or 2 times before, right? And she was over there. So when I got over there, mind you, I already knew what the fuck I was doing, because like I said, I done did it before. And after I done do the shit, after I do some shit, nigga, for like once or twice, nigga, I know what the fuck I'm doing, bro. You feel me? So I go over there, and she's sitting there still trying to talk to me like I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, bro. And she's like showing me shit and like telling me basic shit that I already fucking know. Like, bro. And this is like, bro, shut the fuck up, bro. Like, stop talking to me, bro. And it's like, when I get to work, say I get to work like 10 minutes before I gotta clock in, right? I just be sitting there chilling, right? Got my headphones on. I'm either watching a YouTube video, got some music on. This bitch will walk up to me and start talking to me, bro. While I got my headphones on, bro. And I'll be sitting there blatantly looking at my phone like this. She'll be like 3 feet away from me talking to me, right? I'll be like this. And then she'll like wave her hand in front of my face. When I move my headphone, I'll be like, yeah. And she just be talking about nothing, bro. And this is like, bro, leave me the fuck alone. Like, stop talking to me, bro. It's early in the morning. I don't even want to fucking be here. Like, I already gotta work. It's early. I'm tired. Leave me the fuck alone, bro. I don't want to talk to you, bro. That old ass lady be pissing me off. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know, man. Man, she be sneak dissing on the low, too. All them niggas at that job be sneak dissing on the low. That's why I don't really be talking to them niggas. They all come to me and tell me shit. And I just be taking in the information. But I don't get them niggas none of my information, though. They'll be talking shit about me. That's why I don't talk to them. You feel me? If you don't talk to niggas, they can't have shit to talk about when they come to you. That's why I just be staying dolo, bro. Damn. This bitch hitting, boy. I'm back. This only about second blunt of the day. And the first blunt I rolled today, I was rushing, bro. Feel me? So that shit wasn't really smoking how I wanted it to. Man, drop a GG's in the comment for the Bills, man. That nigga CJ Stroud is finna have the craziest season, bro. Nah, my son Josh gonna have a better season than CJ, bro. And I'll bet money on that. Word the bro. That's how confident I am in Josh, bro. Cause that nigga's really nasty, bro. I seen the clip earlier of this nigga making a throw. Bro, this nigga was rolling out to the right. He had two linemen chasing him down. This nigga running full speed to the right. Threw the bitch. Bro, he threw the bitch while he running with two niggas on him. He didn't even, like, use his other arm. Like, he trucked that bitch just like that. Like, 40 yards on a crosser route. And that bitch was on the money. I'm like, oh my gosh, this nigga's nasty. That shit was disgusting, bro. That nigga's really the best, like, bro. I just want him to win a ring, bro. I don't give a fuck about nothing, though. Like, to be honest, I really don't think we should have traded Diggs after we released our whole defense. But, bro, I don't give a fuck what happened. There's no way in hell we ever trade Josh Allen, bro. That nigga is staying on the fucking Bills his entire career, bro. I don't give a fuck about none of that. I don't want nobody else but Josh Allen, bro. If Josh Allen is not my quarterback and he's on another team, I'm going to be heated, boy. Is you crazy? I couldn't imagine being a fan of another team having to go up against Josh Allen. I'll be terrified. I ain't gonna lie, the only quarterback that I'd be scared, bro, that we play is Mahomes, bro. That nigga done put the PTSD in me, bro. We done lost to them niggas 3 times. Every time we play the Chiefs, I just be like, man, just get it over with. You feel me? Because it's always just something, bro. Something gonna happen, bro. Something's gonna happen, bro. That's gonna do it for this one, man. Drop a like if you enjoyed. Comment GG's in the chat. Sub up, man. I'm gonna take one more hit and we got this bitch. Alright.